Okay, looks like the last step, Kim is going over everything with the driftwood again. And I like it. It's starting to look really weathered, old, and really nice. I'm digging this. And then you see some reds here and there, right? Some yellows here and there.
For the most part, I did try and go with the grain as well. Don't forget to do that.
Sure. That's always important, whether you're sanding or staining, any kind of finishing that you're doing.
And even if you go over some of the areas that had gray on them before, because they've already taken the color, they don't take so much of the driftwood. So don't worry that you're going to cover it all up.
Yep, that's just going to accentuate it.
And get in all your little distress marks.
Pretty nice.